Hello friends, I am Suneet Sinha, well-wisher and close friend of all candidates who want to increase their knowledge. Today I will provide you questions and answers for finance and accounts candidate who must know few basic knowledge before appearing for interview. Please subscribe and don't miss any question. May God fulfill all your good wishes and give you all success in life. Kindly share this video to all your friends in the field of finance and accounts.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Tell me about yourself.
Hi, I am Chu from Rohini, Delhi. I have started my career with Ruchi Soya Industries Limited as an accounts officer. My work profile includes accounts payable, accounts receivable and tax return filing. I have been working as SAP end user for 17 years. With the help of this software we can get the material in and out on real-time basis. I am very enthusiastic to join this organization as I hope I will get proper exposure and growth. My hobby is to play guitar. Thanks for giving the opportunity to appear in the interview.
Can you elaborate on your experience with financial planning and how you have contributed to the growth of the companies you worked for?
In my 17-year career in finance and accounts, I have been actively involved in financial planning, which has been instrumental in driving the growth of the companies I have worked for. I have a strong track record of developing comprehensive financial plans that align with the overall business objectives. For example, at UK Paints India PVT Limited, I played a key role in preparing monthly MIS reports, analyzing financial ratios, and finalizing TDS reports. These activities helped the company make informed financial decisions and optimize its resources. Similarly, at Vasuki 2019 SCSP, I was responsible for preparing financial statements for different organizations and analyzing their financial positions to facilitate investment decisions. My expertise in financial planning has consistently added value to the companies I have worked for, contributing to their growth and success.
How have you utilized your skills in accounts payable and accounts receivable to streamline processes and ensure accuracy in financial transactions?
My proficiency in accounts payable and accounts receivable has been pivotal in streamlining processes and ensuring accuracy in financial transactions. For instance, at Fujifilm India Private Limited, I efficiently managed accounts payable by booking all bills of support functions, preparing monthly provision sheets, and processing reimbursements. This meticulous approach helped in maintaining financial discipline and adhering to budgetary constraints. On the accounts receivable front, during my tenure at Jindal Stainless Limited, I oversaw customer account reconciliations and ensured timely clearance of unadjusted balances, enhancing cash flow management. By leveraging my skills in accounts payable and accounts receivable, I have consistently optimized financial processes, minimized errors, and fostered a culture of transparency and accountability within the finance function.
How have you demonstrated your expertise in taxation, specifically in preparing GST returns, TDS reports, and ensuring compliance with tax regulations?
My proficiency in taxation, particularly in preparing GST returns and TDS reports, has been showcased across various roles in my career. At Vasuki 2019 SCSP, I was responsible for GST return filing and MIS preparation, ensuring accurate compliance with tax regulations. Additionally, at Fujifilm India Private Limited, I meticulously prepared TDS reports and GST returns, demonstrating a keen eye for detail and thorough understanding of tax laws. My hands-on experience in handling tax-related activities, such as reconciliations and filings, has not only ensured compliance but also enabled the companies I work for to optimize tax benefits and avoid penalties. I continuously stay updated on evolving tax laws and regulations to provide strategic tax planning solutions that align with the organization's financial objectives.
Can you explain the TDS compliance process in detail?
As an accounts manager, I am responsible for ensuring compliance with TDS regulations. The TDS compliance process involves deducting the specified amount of tax from payments made to vendors, employees, or other parties. It is important to deduct the correct rate of TDS as per the income tax regulations. I also ensure timely deposit of TDS with the government and filing TDS returns within the due date. Regular reconciliation of TDS deducted and deposited is crucial to maintain accuracy and avoid any discrepancies. I also keep track of changes in TDS rates, thresholds, and forms to ensure compliance. Furthermore, I maintain proper documentation of TDS certificates issued to deductees and provide necessary assistance during tax audits or assessments related to TDS. My experience and proficiency in TDS compliance enable me to effectively manage the entire process and meet all statutory requirements.
How do you handle TDS deductions on contractor payments?
Handling TDS deductions on contractor payments requires compliance with the applicable tax provisions. As an accounts manager, I ensure accurate deductions by classifying contractors based on their nature of work and determining the applicable TDS rate accordingly. I also validate the contractor's PAN information for compliance purposes. Throughout the payment cycle, I maintain proper documentation of TDS deductions made and reconcile them with the books of accounts. Timely filing of TDS returns, issuing TDS certificates, and addressing any queries or concerns from contractors are integral parts of the process. By following these practices, I ensure compliance with TDS provisions while making payments to contractors.
Describe your experience in handling TDS compliance for multiple entities or branches.
Throughout my experience as an accounts manager, I have successfully handled TDS compliance for multiple entities and branches. I possess a strong understanding of the legal and regulatory framework related to TDS compliance across different entities. I ensure that each entity or branch complies with the TDS provisions applicable to them, considering their specific nature of transactions and taxation requirements. I establish robust systems and procedures to centralize TDS activities for multiple entities, fostering consistency and efficiency. I also conduct periodic reviews and internal audits to ensure adherence to TDS compliance standards across all entities or branches. My experience in handling TDS compliance for multiple entities makes me well equipped to manage the complexities and nuances associated with such scenarios.
Thanks, Chu. We are sure our mutual association will be beneficial for both of us. Congratulations to you and hope you're to be on our board soon.
Thanks, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I will be proud to work with the person of your stature.
Thanks for watching this video. Best of luck for your future assignments. Your brother and friend Suneet Sinha will always be available for your support. Kindly support by sharing my video.